In this video, I will guide you through the setup and use of your ProLUX LED headlight system. Begin by sliding the O-rings onto either temple arm of your loops. Secure the inline switch to the frame with the O-rings. Next, attach your headlight to the mount and plug it in. Finally, plug in the ProLUX battery. Control your ProLUX system with both the red button on the battery or the inline control switch. Press and release to power on or off, and hold to cycle brightness options. Charge ProLUX with the included wall charger. Your ProLUX battery will charge fully in only 3 hours. The small light on the wall charger indicates the current charging status. Red is charging, green is charged. Disassemble and store when not in use. Clean regularly. Do not leave your battery plugged in when it is fully charged. Only charge for a maximum of 3 hours at a time. Thank you for choosing Luminant.